Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole at home easy full guide. First, gather ripe avocados, lime, salt, onion, cilantro, and optional jalapeno. Start by halving and pitting avocados, then scoop into a bowl and mash to your preferred chunkiness. Add lime juice to taste, fold in finely chopped onion and cilantro, season with salt, and adjust with more lime if needed for brightness. To make great texture, mash avocados to your liking with a fork, leaving some small chunks for interest and bite. Add lime juice early to prevent browning and to brighten flavors as you season. Fold in chopped onion, cilantro, and jalapeno gently to distribute flavors without turning the guacamole into a paste. Keep tasting and add salt or more lime a little at a time until it sings. Serve guacamole immediately with chips or use it to top tacos and grilled plates for extra freshness. If you need to store it, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface or add a thin layer of lime juice to limit air contact and slow browning. Refrigerate and plan to eat within 2 days for best taste and texture, and always give it a quick stir before serving to revive the bright flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.